Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alex, and if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, and if you are new, yet again, subscribe, like, comment. I hope you like my videos as well, and me as a person and personality-wise. I don't know why I just whispered. But, anywho, so lately, life's been a little crazy, you know? It's been fun and stuff. I've had a lot of fun with my friends over the summer, but after the summer, you know, things come to an end, fun comes to an end, school starts. School's been great, by the way. I love my new school. I love everyone that I've met so far, and I'm super excited for all the experiences to come, and I'm just really excited. But my social life, my old friends, you know, it's going okay, but that's not the point. I mean, it kind of is, but like it's gonna lead into the topic that I'm talking about today, which is losing friends and the feeling of loneliness, you know? I mean, it could be extreme in your case or it could be not, but I feel like everyone just goes through a point like that in their life where, you know, they need someone to talk to, or they just, you know, I mean, they just need peace and quiet, you know, or just whatever they need, you know, and I feel that everyone has been going through it, especially in quarantine, and it's brought to my attention that I really have to go over this topic because this weekend, you know, or yesterday, you know, I really thought about it, and I heard some different opinions from from some close friends, and I really had to go through it, or go over it, but I have gone through it many times, you know, and I'm kind of going through it again, but not as severe, you know. I have that feeling of like things are changing or about to change dramatically, and you know, it just, you know that feeling. I hope you do, but that's basically what I'm going through, you know. So I'm gonna talk about like how to limit yourself feeling alone, and also talking about losing friends. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like and subscribe and comment after this video, and I would always love one more subscriber to keep talking to you about positive things and positive ways to change your life around if you need it, and if you don't, just keep watching, you know, because you might need it. Everyone needs it, you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let's get right on to the video. So, disclaimer, I'm a 14-year-old, yet again. Don't come at me. I am not a professional in these sort of things. I'm not a therapist or anything, you know, that's a professional therapist. And I'm just a 14-year-old girl, about to turn 15, by the way, in a few months, just FYI. But I'm a 14-year-old, and it's just my opinions and my tips and my tricks to help you guys succeed in life and to be stronger with mental health, because I feel it's a great and big thing to talk about, and so I'm just giving my input on it and some tips that I hope will help you guys. So without further ado, and now let's get right onto the video. So the first topic I'm going to be talking about is losing friends, and this video is not like the type of video where I say tip number 1, tip number 2, so on, but you know, it's just talking about the general question, or not question, but just statement, losing friends. And I've gone through it. I've been going through it. I know some of my friends that have been going through it, and it doesn't feel nice, you know, and I totally understand, you know. I feel everyone my age, your age, whatever age, goes through it, and it's just a part of life. You have to move on. You know, you can't keep worrying about people who just are gonna leave you, you know what I mean? You can't keep worrying about that, and you can't keep putting yourself down for that. If you are, I mean, some people do that, some people don't, but please guys, if you're going through stuff like that, don't put yourself down because of it, you know, because there's so many more other people, and you're gonna move on from it as you get older. It's not the end if you lose a few friends or not, you know what I mean? It's really not, because guess what? In 30 years, it's not gonna matter. It's really not. You're gonna move on, you're gonna experience new things, and that's what I've just been telling myself. I mean, for real. And plus, sometimes you lose toxic friends. You really do. You know, you lose toxic fake friends, and it's just better off for you. But guess what? You always have a family, and I know some people really don't, and I know that it's hard to communicate with your family, but you have to find someone who you can communicate with that has gone through these life experiences that we're going through. Yeah, you know, you really just have to talk to someone about it, someone you really trust, you know. And another thing is, sometimes we feel alone and helpless and just sad all around, but sometimes people, you know, when people try to help, they say, I don't even know what's wrong, you know. And you have to know, you know, there's always a reason for why you're feeling some way. You know, our emotions don't work if our emotions don't work like that if we're just sad for just no reason. You know, there always has to be a reason, you know. And I mean, I know there's always a reason for why I'm sad, or why I feel alone, or why I'm happy, or why I'm glad or excited. You know, every single emotion comes from something. And if you see or hear someone try to help you, try to reach back out to them, you know, and say, yes, help me, you know, I need a friend, or I need like an adult, you know, or like a family member, or a counselor, or a therapist. There's so many more people out there that will be able to listen to you and help you. And I just want to remind you guys that you aren't alone, because also another big thing is you have God. I mean, for real, you do. And that's someone that you can always count on and will always be there to listen to you. And he will help you. You just have to give it a chance. You have to keep trying, and he will help you just like anyone else would. It takes time to get better, and I totally understand that, because I've been there, and it's taken me time, and I just have to understand that fact that it just doesn't happen overnight. I can't really snap. There you go. But it takes time. It's normal. So I just want you guys to remember that. And yeah, so I hope it helped with this little area. But the last thing is, it's okay to lose friends, okay? It's okay, because it's just a part of life. It's just a cycle, okay? Nothing lasts forever, okay? And also, I have a quote for you. The path to successfulness is always a lonely one. Period. That is a quote right there. And I always keep it in my head, because it's true. I mean, we are all successful in our own ways, and sometimes it's a lonely path. So just keep reminding yourself that you will find other people. Yeah, so I hope that helped. The way you can make a change to not feel lonely anymore, or like to stop losing friends, you know, and you want to gain more friends while you lose some. I mean, you lose some and you win some. I bet everyone's heard that term from whoever, but you win some and you lose some, and it's just part of life, you know. And go out, explore the world, go and try different things, go and be part of charity work or clubs or extracurricular activities at their high school or middle school or elementary or college or whatever school you're at, or even work, I don't know. But just try to meet new people, introduce yourself. Hey, I'm Alex. What's your name? Oh my god, no way. You wanna be friends? Don't say that. But you get the picture. Just talk to people, reach out, you know, talk to anyone. And if they seem pretty chill and vibey, go for it, man. Go for it. Because that's the only way you're gonna make new friends like that. You know, or, you know, if you're a gamer person, you know, I love, like, that you could, like, talk to just random people on mics and then add them as friends and just play video games, and then you guys could, like, end up, like, FaceTiming, getting their numbers, if that's how it works. I really want to play video games, by the way. I just don't have any. But come on, guys. There's always a way to make new friends, okay? And another way is exercising and reading and doing things that are gonna, like, activate your brain. No, not activate. Like, just get your brain going. I'm trying to explain this, okay? But it's just things to make you think in your brain and to occupy it. It's things to occupy your brain and your time, and just do things, you know. Be out, explore, adventure, get outdoors, get indoors, get everywhere. Just explore, meet new friends, meet new people, and I promise you, you'll be fine, okay? You just have to get out there and do stuff with your life, because you only live once. That's it. One time. That's the only chances you get, is one. Isn't that crazy? But, I mean, come on. You gotta live your life. And I know all of you could do it, and you all have the power to do it, and I really wish the best for you guys. And yes, I hope this helped, and these little tips. And yeah, so introduce, get out there, adventure, you know, experience new things, get into like extracurricular activities or clubs in your school, or just something that you feel interested in and that you can get in. Oh, and charity work. And then fourth, talk to adults, talk to people who you think would help you and who you trust. You know, and if you don't trust anyone, I mean, just tell someone. I mean, just tell someone, like not like a friend, or like, you know, not a friend, like just a random kid at school. Like, don't do that, 'cause, you know. But an adult you don't know, you know, that works in your school or is in your family, or just you see somewhere in your life, you know, and you keep seeing them constantly. Just talk to them. They probably won't mind. They'll love to help you. But I just want to remind you guys that you're not alone, especially in quarantine and COVID. You're not alone. You always have someone. Also, talk to God if you want to. I know it's not for everyone, but I would definitely recommend it if you just want to try it out. Try it out for a week. Okay, that's the goal. Just try it out for a week and see how it goes, okay? But other than that, losing friends is normal, part of life, like a cycle. You only live once, so do whatever you want. I mean, you know, but like not everything that like will get you in some like major trouble or something, and then like you really can't live the rest of your life out because you're in jail or something, or that will ruin your life, you know, in some sort of way that you guys have in mind of ruining your lives. But just do, you know, anything you want. Just live the life you want. Live and soak up the sun and the life and every single being in this world, and just get to know a ton of people. That's a great way to do it, man. But yeah, I hope this video helped, and I really look forward to seeing you guys next week. Peace out. Bye. If you couldn't tell, this is the end of this video. You can click off. This is all the footage I'm gonna have. So, this is all the footage I'm gonna have. I really hope this video worked for you. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, if you have any suggestions and comments and questions and everything like that, comment down below. You already know, and I'll answer. I will answer. I promise you I will answer. And if you have any other video ideas and topics that you want me to go over, I will be glad to. And just for you, whoever asks, and for everyone else who will benefit from it, especially me. So without further ado, this is the end of this video. Oh my god. You can click off, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. And until we see each other again, goodbye.